Hey, what's going on? My name is Matt, and this will be episode 2 of, I don't know, 5 minutes of project management. Maybe I'll go with that. It's a new series I'm creating where I create short 5 minute videos that walk through different tasks that complete on the day to day as a project manager for AmpLinks. If you're unfamiliar with AmpLinks, I would go to amplinks.co, check us out. Yeah, so the current project management task that I'm working on is um, creating an exhaustive QA testing plan for our MVP. We're working on this MVP for um, about what is it in June, so about 4 or 5 months. On the website, we have a PR open from dev to production that has 726 files changed, or close to 1,000 commits. Um, um, Go ahead and check out the first episode, which talks about that. What I did in that episode was highlight uh, this file here. So I went through that 726 files, and I was able to break it down into 54 things. Now, some of these things have sub items, so maybe it's 60, 70, 80 things, but at least root categories or whatever to call it. We're looking at 54 things. The next thing I got to do is break this up into modules. So right now we have sales, service, and project management. This is really and really team settings, which is like your configuration for your user, team that shares an Amplings account essentially. Um, so really, like I said, those four things. We have sales, service, project management. Uh, I'm also going to do invoicing because invoicing exists within service and project management, but it um, it's really its own thing. Okay, so all tables, and then I'll do just general slash UI change. Okay, open this some. So this is just our tables. Our sorting was all switched up. So we'll move that over. There is now a small account form. So creating an account has been changed. Please QA account creation. Yeah, we don't need a capital C there. So get rid of this. So account detail page. So what I'm going to do is inside of sales, I'm going to create an account in customer. And I'm going to paste those things. So for the account customer detail page, there is a new form, which we have. And maybe in these videos, I'll go through and kind of zoom through the UI. So we have this new account page. We used to have a mage, we used to take them to here, and then they would be able to edit all of these things. But we just have a simple form. We're actually going to do away with this up here. Well, actually, we're not. Right now, if you want to add a contact, you have to go to this new modal. When you add that contact, it's supposed to get added as a primary contact. It may or may not. Same thing for location. We just have some new UI that Isaac's working on that's just going to have those, 10 fields in here so they can at least, fill in some information as opposed to then, yeah, it's just not a great UI. So that's the new account. And then once you create the account, making sure that you can add and manage contacts as well as locations or addresses from that account detail page, that customer detail page. So we're using handle save company locations on the client locations list. I don't think we should have a single function that handles the three. Okay, so this is some code. This is also going to go into the account thing because customer, client, account, or company, those are really all the same thing. The copy has changed a ton, so our code has not because some of it's really old. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video here. I'll create another one, just kind of keep going through this. So yeah, thanks.